On April 26, 1986, a catastrophic event occurred at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant near Pripyat in the Ukrainian SSR, Soviet Union. This accident, rated at the maximum severity on the International Nuclear Event Scale, is one of only two such incidents, the other being the 2011 Fukushima nuclear disaster. The explosion resulted from a test run to simulate cooling the reactor during an accident in blackout conditions. Despite an accidental drop in reactor power, operators proceeded with the test due to a design issue. The attempt to shut down the reactor led to a dramatic surge in power, causing the reactor components to rupture and lose coolant. This resulted in steam explosions, meltdown, and the destruction of the reactor building, followed by a reactor core fire that spread radioactive contaminants across the Soviet Union and Europe. In response to this disaster, an exclusion zone was established 36 hours after the accident, initially evacuating around 49,000 people. The zone was later expanded to 30 kilometers, leading to the evacuation of approximately 68,000 more people. The explosion killed 2 engineers on site and severely burned 2 others. Of the 237 workers hospitalized, 134 showed symptoms of acute radiation syndrome (ARS), with 28 of them dying within 3 months. Over the next decade, 14 more workers, 9 of whom had ARS, died from various causes mostly unrelated to radiation exposure. This marked the only instance in commercial nuclear power history where radiation-related fatalities occurred. As a result of the disaster, childhood thyroid cancer cases increased within affected populations. As of 2005, there were 6,000 such cases, with 15 of them being fatal, although many attribute this large fraction to the disaster. The United Nations Scientific Committee on the Effects of Atomic Radiation estimates fewer than 100 deaths resulting from the fallout. Predictions for the eventual total death toll vary, with a 2006 World Health Organization study projecting 9,000 cancer-related fatalities in Ukraine, Belarus, and Russia. Following the explosion, emergency operations began to put out fires and stabilize the reactor. The Chernobyl